time here is 20 minutes to the evening. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as using all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is said to leave your seats, take care when opening overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you've all your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed to reach the designated area. All of us at JetExtra.com and British Airways would like to welcome our customers who live in Humberside and also wish those of you travelling further a safe onward journey. It has been a pleasure to serve you, and we look